Work orders tied to sales accounts in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to see maintenance work orders that touch your accounts so your reps have context before their next visit. Let's take a look. You'll find this under CRM Work Orders from your dashboard. This page gives you visibility into maintenance work orders that touch your sales accounts, a draft system repair or equipment service call at a customer location. It's grouped so you see what's open, due today, overdue, and completed. It matters to sales because a piece of broken equipment at an account can directly affect what they're able to sell or pour. Each card shows the account, what the work order's for, its status, and who it's assigned to. Click a card, and I'll show you the full work order detail, including notes and current status. If an account has an open work order, that's useful context before your rep's next visit. They can check on it while they're there. Use this page to stay aware of service issues instead of hearing about them only when a customer complains. Loop in the rep if the account's been asking about it, so nothing about a broken draft line catches the team off guard.